Okay, this is for the people that actually have a Xerox ColorQube 9303. The ones that use these oversized, these fairly large ink sticks right here. First thing I want to discuss is basically when you look on the size of when you look on the ink blocks, you notice that this one has 2 notches and has a single dot right there. These are known as solid ink sticks. The other ones that you find more frequently is the ones that have. These are the ones that have a single notch. These actually have 3 dots. These are known as solid ink sticks, or something like that. Well, anyway, there's a big difference between these and these. You would think that the one of them were trying to prevent the other one. In the service manual on page 698 under GP General Procedure 34 Service Plan, I don't need to change the service plan, but it shows you a nice diagram of how it works. And just so you know, these are my ink levels right here, shown as 22% magenta, 28% cyan, 23% yellow, and 22% black. So if I take, and you can see my tray here, mine is actually sent for single slot versus when you first turn on the machine, it actually comes out as, I'll show you one of the other machines I have over here. Let me turn on some lights here in a minute. When you first power on the machine, and when it powers down, it's blocked like this for a different pattern, and then this little keyway actually moves as the machine powers up. But so what I'm trying to say is that basically is that when you have a machine that's in this status right here, I forget which one is which, but when you have one of these like this, then once again, magenta is 22%. So I can take a double slotted ink stick, and you can see right here, there's nothing to stop me from dropping it into a single slotted thing, and it accepts the ink just fine. And now all of a sudden the ink has gone up to 40%. Hopefully, you can also take a mostly used a black ink stick here, which says 22%, and it won't detect it at first, but once you can slide it over your hand, and let's see what happens. Well, it doesn't measure that one because it doesn't see the whole block, but it should still be able to be used and stuff. But it'll use it up. It just won't register it as being ink in there. You can put another. It says incompatible detected, but I don't think it is. But anyway, you should be able to stick a stick of black in there on top of it, and it'll just use up the ink anyway. Let me see if that works. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a one with the 3 dots in the single channel. Put it on top of the other one. Remember, this says 22%. Now it'll say 35%, but it'll probably bitch about it, but it'll probably still use up the blank ink. Anyway, just thought I'd let you guys know. All right, bye.